Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I don't know, a while back I made a video and I used a macro, but I guess I didn't show how to make the macro. I'm not a big fan. I'm not 100% sure this is going to work all the time for all the names you bring in. These names are individual. And what you're going to do is I've got my macro or my script depending on what. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and move that over. Control D, Control D, Control D. But before I do that, I'm going to start a macro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and start recording. I'm going to call it name. I'm just going to call it NT for name tag. Control D and move it over. Control D, Control. My mouse must be moving. And it doesn't matter how long you take to do this. Then you need to select your name first, hold down the Shift key and select your object and go CE. Your name, hold down your Shift, CE. Name, hold down your Shift, EC. It doesn't matter what order you do the letters in. Hold down the Shift, which selects both items, EC. Shift, CE, and then go up to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. So it recorded that macro right there. What we're going to do is back up, and we're going to try to change it up a little bit, see if it'll work. Because a lot of times in stuff like this, it just won't work. Let's put Bill up here. Okay. Now let's run the script. I'm just going to double click on the NT and it did it. So if you have a lot of names, you're going to use print merge and things like that. But if you're just doing, real quick names, let's back up. Let's just make sure it works. Let's back up to here. And let's type out some new names. Let's make them about the appropriate size. Now you got to go to Object and break those names apart. Keep your fingers crossed and let's see if it works. And it worked. So if you had this made and you just needed to make name tags, and you could even, you could go further and, actually put it in a particular spot in this part. If you had somebody's logo, I might later on make a second video on how you could make this even go further. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.